let me explain to you how to become an Amazon product tester from home, okay? And before I actually explain to you the steps you need to take to become a tester, an Amazon product tester, let's first define what an Amazon product tester is, what he or she does, and how to actually increase your chances of making more money. So, an Amazon product tester is actually someone who participates in testing and reviewing products sold on Amazon. Plain and simple, nothing really complicated, okay? Now, the process is typically associated with Amazon's Vine program or other similar programs. So, if you want to be an Amazon product tester, you want to associate yourself with the Amazon Vine program. I'll explain later on, okay? So, Amazon Vine is actually an invitation only program where trusted reviewers, often called Vine voices, receive a free or discounted products from sellers and manufacturers in exchange for honest and unbiased reviews. Okay, so this is really important to understand that it is actually there is rarely money involved. Okay, of course you have other benefits, but in terms of being paid for it, that's not how the process was set up from the get go. So as a product tester, you can make some fast money, and at the same time, it's a win-win for third-party Amazon sellers when you, as a tester, you give positive feedback on their products because the way to make money is through affiliate marketing. So but again, the review has to be honest, it has to be unbiased, okay? But you can make money from affiliate marketing, among other things, okay? Now, can anyone be an Amazon product tester? If you're listening to me right now, you're thinking, well, I want to become a tester. But the thing is that because this is an invite only program, not just anyone can jump in and be an Amazon product tester, okay? So it is kind of like if you look at it, it is an exclusive club, okay? Because it is invite only. So Amazon looks at things like how experienced and helpful you have been with your reviews before sending you an invite. Also, Amazon wants you to know your stuff and you can share honest opinions, right? It's all about unbiased reviews. And so, one thing I want to say is that if you want to get accepted when you're leaving reviews, try to be really detailed and honest about every buy. Thus, make your own unique reviews instead of just repeating what others are saying. Also, keep in mind that Amazon usually picks folks with at least 100 reviews to join their special club. So, start sharing your thoughts in depth to increase your shot at getting invited. And also, keep your reviews short and sweet and be specific. And remember that what your review for the customers thinking about buying, not to impress the seller. Okay, that's important. So if you think about the whole process, is an Amazon, it's been a, let's say, an Amazon product tester, a legit sort of sidekick? Yes, yes, because Amazon product tester through Amazon Vine is actually the most legitimate option. Actually, okay. So like I said a little earlier, if you become an Amazon product tester, you'll be called a Vine voice. And basically, if you are a Vine voice, you have demonstrated that you can be helpful, you can be experienced, okay, with your reviews, but also with the products you're reviewing. One thing I want to say also is that basically don't actually fall for communication between yourself and sellers directly, because sometimes some sellers might contact you directly to see if you can review their products. You want to really shield yourself against that, because that will go against the Amazon rules, and Amazon has pretty strict rules when it comes to Vine voices. Okay, so don't really do that. If you're trying to if you're trying to do this direct route, you are breaking the rules. Okay, and Amazon will kick you out. Amazon will kick you out, because the whole thing here is that Amazon wants the whole program to be legit, and they want your real opinion, not a biased opinion. So now let me talk to you about how to become an Amazon product tester from home. So first of all, I want you to look at the Amazon Vine program. So this is a special program by invite only, where Amazon selects reviewers to be Vine voices. Okay, so this is important. And as a Vine voice, you can get Amazon products for free, including new and pre-release items, and share your thoughts on them on Amazon. And also, reviews you leave as an Amazon Vine member will be marked with a special badge. Actually, okay. But you want to know that you have to be honest. You have to be unbiased. Okay. And to become a product tester with Amazon Vine, there are some criteria you need to meet. You gotta have you gotta be an active reviewer. You should have a track record of writing useful and detailed reviews of products on Amazon. You want to also have a higher reviewer rank because for you to join the Vine Voice program, you got to have a high reviewer rank. You got to have an Amazon account, and you got to really wait for the official Vine Voice invitation. Now there is also Amazon. There are also Amazon reviewer sites. Okay, so being a Vine voicer is not the only way when it comes to becoming an Amazon product tester from home. Okay, the cool thing is that there are some third-party platforms where you can actually rank higher in terms of reviewership, and then finally be invited to join the Vine Voice program. You can participate in Amazon review sites like Cashback Base, Rebate, Snacks Out, or Vipon to write reviews in exchange for free or discounted Amazon programs. And these sites actually operate independently from Amazon, and they help sellers gather valuable feedback before launching products on Amazon. Okay, so I'm showing you right now on the screen. This is the platform called Snacks Out, and this platform caters primarily to everyday shoppers, providing the most discounted products and best deals. And this rebate site offers a diverse range of deals, from blankets to boots and everything in between. So you have a diverse assortment of products. So in a very highly competitive market, Snacks House allows sellers to turn a profit without relying on PPC. Because if you are a new seller on Amazon, PPC is actually the fastest way, but also one of the most expensive ways to actually stand out. Okay. You also have another account that I love, another platform, that's Vipon. So Vipon is a major player in the space of Amazon rebate sites, delivering top-notch deals to its valued customer base. So with millions of monthly shoppers, Vipon plays a pivotal role in helping Amazon sellers boost their sales, ranking, and profitability. Okay. So what's more, they also offer a whopping 45 to 50,000 new coupons daily. Okay. And they have discounts ranging from 50% to 80% off. So that's pretty good. Next, you have another platform called Cashback Base. Okay. And this is actually a pretty good platform in the sense that it stands out as one of the top Amazon discount platforms, linking sellers with the best available deals on Amazon. So this is pretty good. But one thing for sure, is actually limited right now to 3 marketplaces: the US, the UK, and Italy. And on that platform, you can get the finest deals for customers, allowing them to shop for products at highly discounted prices. Let's also talk about Amazon Associates. So, if you want to become an Amazon product tester from home this year, you want to also explore the Amazon Associates platform. So, Amazon Associates is pretty interesting in the sense that it is an affiliate marketing program. Okay, this is Amazon's official affiliate marketing program. So, and the cool thing is that because Amazon is the largest marketplace when it comes to online commerce, e-commerce, basically their affiliate marketing program is one of the largest. Okay, and so what happens here is that basically if you are a member, you can earn a commission by referring customers to buy Amazon products. Okay, so if you are a blogger, if you are a content creator, if you are any type of digital educator, you can make passive income by signing up with an attractive website, app, or established social media following. Okay, so that's really cool. Now, one thing I want to say here is that if you have to become an Amazon associate, you have to sign up. You have to receive a unique ID. So every affiliate receives a unique ID. You need to create affiliate links. Okay. Now the process can be a little lengthy, but hey, listen, it is really worth it if you have the followership. If you have a follower base to really monetize, that's pretty good. And you have to place those affiliate links that you create. They're actually customized based on Amazon. Okay. And once you have them, you have to place them on your blog or social media. Okay. And Amazon pays commissions every 2 months. Okay. After the end of the earning month. So this is kind of cool. So one thing you want to do here is that just make sure that you are truthful to your follower base. Do not actually, do not suggest, do not recommend products that you haven't used yourself. Only be clear and upfront with customers. Another way to become an Amazon product tester from home is to become an influencer. So when I speak about influencer, I'm speaking about you having at a minimum 10,000 followers. Okay, you can be a micro influencer or you can be a major influencer depending on the niche you're in. But it's not about the size of your follower base. It's more about the engagement. Like you can have a 5,000 followers or 10,000 followers, but if your followers are really engaged, if they're really committed, if they really if they look up to you as an authority in your niche, that's more valuable than if you have 100,000 followers and followers barely watch your videos or barely watch your content. Okay, they barely interact with your content. So this is really good. But if you are an influencer, you can earn money as an Amazon product tester by reviewing and recommending products. Okay. But again, the whole idea here is to be as honest and unbiased in your reviews. So if you want to become an Amazon product tester from home with influencing, you can join the Amazon influencer program or become a social media influencer. So you have options there, okay? And if you have been able to build up a big following on social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, now called X, you can become part of the Amazon influencer program. So once you become part of the Amazon influencer program, you unlock more benefits, okay? So even though this platform might seem similar to the Amazon Associates program, the influencer one gives you extra perks like special marketing tools and your own personalized Amazon store. And this custom store makes it simple for your followers to check out the products that you recommend, okay? On the other hand, social media influencers can test and share Amazon products with their audience, earning compensation from brands. So this is really good from a flexibility point of view. Another way to become an Amazon product tester from home is to actually join a Facebook review group. Okay, you have lots of Facebook review groups, and depending on the niche you're in, some niches are more active than others. Okay, so that's kind of cool. So now these groups act as a platform for sellers and testers to exchange services. In fact, Facebook groups allow you to connect with like-minded reviewers and sellers in a specific niche. It can be specific dropshipping niche, specific e-commerce niche. Okay, so what happens here is that sellers will approach reviewers offering discounts or freebies in exchange for positive reviews, sometimes providing a refund through PayPal. Now, is that legal? Yes, it is legal. It is totally legal. Okay, as you can see on the screen here, there is a group called Facebook Amazon Reviewers Group USA, and this is a group that helps you connect with reviewers and sellers in the US. Okay, that's something to really think of. And this group has more than 11,000 members as of the date of this show. So now one thing I want to say here is that when it comes to Facebook review groups, those are different from Amazon groups. Okay, so that's something to really think about. So if you want to start reviewing products on Amazon this year, you just want to sign up on Amazon using your email. You want to share your thoughts and reviews. And again, make sure the reviews are unbiased. They are deep. They are detailed. They are also short. So that's a little bit of a contradiction, but deep and short, okay? You want to review new products on Amazon, talk about your personal experience with the product, check existing reviews, right? Because at the end of the day, you don't want your reviews to be too far-fetched. And you want to regularly update and improve your Amazon reviewer page. And if possible, and I strongly encourage you to do that, if possible, you want to include photos or videos and be as detailed as possible. So granularity is really important. Granularity, comprehensiveness are going to help you actually increase your reviewer rank. So if you want to become an Amazon product tester from home, you got to be really good at writing effective reviews. And I mean effective in the sense that you want to put yourself in the client's shoes, in the buyer's shoes, right? You want to really help buyers. You want to really answer all questions that they may. You want to anticipate. You want your review to anticipate whatever questions that they may have before buying a specific product. Which means what? It means that you want to be honest and unbiased, right? You want to be as unbiased as possible. You want to provide detailed information, right? You want to include specific details about the product, such as features, pros and cons, okay, pricing, okay. Let's say if you are reviewing a tech gadget, you want to mention its performance, build quality, and any issues that you encountered, right? It's all about being as honest as possible. You want to use high quality images and videos. Good thing is nowadays with your phone, you can take high quality pictures or even videos. You don't have to have a professional, you don't have to have professional equipment to get the same quality, okay? So you can have a high resolution, not a problem. You want to engage with other reviewers and Amazon sellers. It's all about engagement. It's all about learning from the best. It's all about improving your craft, okay? And you want to keep up with the latest trends and products. So stay up to date with the latest products and trends in your niche, right? That way you can increase your thought leadership, your authority, your credibility, because customers know, okay, this is someone who's doing research about this particular niche, okay? So that's pretty cool. So long story short, you do have, sorry about that, you do have actually a lot of benefits when it comes to becoming an Amazon product tester, okay? Because you can get free or discounted products. You can contribute to the Amazon community and build your reputation as a trusted reviewer. So that's really good because when people start looking up to you as an authority in your niche, this is really good. Not just customers, but also your peers, your reviewer peers. And also, you want to develop valuable skills and establish your personal brand. Remember, you can really parlay your status as an Amazon reviewer into something big if you actually know your niche pretty well and you have developed some skills like a certain level of expertise in your particular niche, and people look up to you for advice, for insights. You can really monetize that insight if you do it well. So as a recap into this conversation, I spoke to you about how to become an Amazon product tester from home. I explained to you what it is to what it means to become an Amazon product tester, and how to become one through the Vine program, the reviewer sites, the Amazon Associates program. You can become an influencer or even join a Facebook review group. Thank you so much. God bless you. I will see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.